Namaskar, friends. Good afternoon and welcome back. Friends, again, in today's live session, we are going to cover more than 10,000 requirements for various positions, for various clients across the Gulf and in the Middle East. So, friends, again, please stay tuned till the end. Without leaving your PCs or laptops or mobile phones or on whatever device you all are watching this live on, so that you all can take a note of all the client interview locations, the client interview dates. Now we have client interviews which are happening across India, uh, in Vizag, in Kolkata, in Mumbai. So, friends, yes, please stay tuned to the end. And Uh, today I have with me Mr. Lalit Maurya, our general manager, who is going to be with me in this presentation today. And before I start my part of the requirements, let me quickly take you through Seagull's success story. Friends, Seagull has been the biggest workforce provider since the past 39 years and is approved by the Ministry of External Affairs, Government of India. Friends, Seagull has its head office in Mumbai, in Andheri, and it operates through its branches across India, in Kochi, in New Delhi, in Baroda, in Chennai, in Vizag, and in Kolkata. Friends, yes, Seagull is also internationally located in UK, in Sri Lanka, Dubai, Kuwait, Nepal, Qatar, Sweden, and Lithuania as well. Friends, this is our Facebook page. Please follow us on Facebook. We will hold the screen for a few seconds so that you all can either take a snapshot of the screen or you can also scan the QR code while we are on the screen. Please like us on Facebook so that you all keep yourself so that you all can keep yourself upgraded on all the requirements that we post from time to time. Friends, this is our Telegram channel. Uh, please join our Telegram channel. Again, the QR code is on your screens. We are on Instagram as well, friends. Friends, this is the QR code of our Seagull Staffing Solutions Group. Friends, this division of Seagull International basically handles domestic requirements, and all our requirements for the domestic market are on this Facebook group. So please scan this QR code. This will take you to all. This QR code will take you to our Seagull Staffing Solutions page where all the requirements from our domestic division would be listed here. Okay, friends. So let me start with the requirements. Okay, so let's see here. Yes, this one is for Malaysia. It's a free requirement. Yes, and this company requires project engineers with minimum of 5 years of experience in on-site planning and reporting. Salary, yes, very attractive with free food and accommodation. It's for Malaysia, friends, and it's for a company specializing in thermal insulation, painting, and scaffolding. And this company also has operations in various other countries as well, but this requirement is for Malaysia, for project engineers. Friends, a detailed job description is mentioned on your screen. Friends, this interview is scheduled for the third week of September in Kochi. Again, this is for Kuwait. It's for a shutdown project. And this company requires docking technicians, hydrojetters, bundle puller operators, manhole watchers, fire watchers, planning engineers, planners, schedulers, quality control engineers, inspectors, okay, unit in charge, supervisors, supervisors with exchanger background, vessel background, fitters, again, wall supervisors, rigging supervisors, hydrojetting supervisors, flange management supervisors, fabrication supervisors, scaffolding supervisors, installation supervisors, wall trackers, and IT network technicians. Friends, again for Kuwait, it's a large requirement that they have. The client interview is scheduled for the third week of September at Kochi. So, friends, yes, please send your CVs, visit our Kochi office with your CVs and get your CV shortlisted for this particular client interview. This is a requirement for Abu Dhabi, friends. It's for a oil and gas project. It's a free requirement, immediate departure. Salary, as you can see, is very attractive and is also mentioned on your screen. They need planners and P60 schedulers. They need planning leaders, site managers with rotating equipment experience, safety trainers, quality control leaders, subcontracts coordinators, and unit WMS coordinators. Again, friends, the salary band is mentioned on your screens against each requirement. Yes, looks very attractive. Yes, a duration of contract will be anywhere between 8 to 10 months, and the client interview would be conducted online from our branch offices as well as our head office. Which means, friends, that if your CV is shortlisted, you all will be called to our offices where the client will conduct an online interview from. Uh, Again, friends, this is the same requirement. Yes, this is for Qatar. It's for their GTL project, and it's a short-term requirement. Yes, they require planning engineers, schedulers, HSE coordinators, quality control coordinators, and ENI coordinators. Yes, also they need PTW mechanical supervisors. Salary would be pretty attractive with overtime and free food and accommodation. But yes, friends, candidates should have enough experience working on oil and gas projects in the Gulf countries only. Which means, friends, candidates with Indian experience would not be entertained here. Candidates with Gulf country experience only need to apply. So, friends, yes, send your CVs or visit our offices in Mumbai, in Chennai, in Kochi, or in Baroda. It's a short-term requirement for Qatar, and the interview would be conducted in the next few weeks. Yes, and it will be conducted online from our offices. Again, a large requirement for Qatar for an oil and gas project. They need refractory supervisors, refractory foremen, SPIR coordinators, scaffolding inspectors, scaffolding supervisors, HSC officers, quality control, okay, quality control insulation personnel, and they need PTW or foremen. Indian experienced candidates are also welcome, but only for the position of PTW. For all other positions, yes, friends, candidates with Gulf country experience only uh, would be entertained. So, only for permit to work or foremen a requirement, Indian experienced candidates would be entertained. For all other positions mentioned in this requirement, yes, Gulf country experience is mandatory. Shortlisting, friends, is going on. So please send your CVs and our team will get back to you if your CVs are shortlisted. Friends, this requirement for Abu Dhabi, and they need a Power BI expert. Yes, it's a niche requirement, friends. And a detailed job description is mentioned on your screen. They need candidates with at least 2 to 3 years of hands-on experience in Power BI and Excel, strong proficiency in Power BI, including creating dashboards, reports, and data models, advanced knowledge of Excel, which means the candidate should know VLOOKUP, pivot tables, etc. In Excel, good analytical skills to interpret data and provide insights. So, friends, yes, this is the job description mentioned. It's for Abu Dhabi. It's a free requirement. Yes, they need someone who can join immediately. Indian experienced candidates, yes, can apply. The interview would be conducted very shortly by the client. It will be an online interview, but will be conducted from our offices. So, friends, yes, please send your CVs. The email ID is given below. This requirement is for Abu Dhabi, friends. They need civil engineers, they need job performance, they need civil job performers, they need mechanical job performance, and they need, okay, LEEA certified appointed person. Friends, yes, this is a requirement in which they need candidates only with Gulf country experience. Only returners would be entertained here. Candidates with Indian experience, please excuse. Civil engineers, civil job performers, mechanical job performers, LEA certified appointed person. Yes, candidates should have Gulf country experience of oil and gas projects. Salary, yes, will be very attractive with free food and accommodation. Interview, yes, would be conducted online, but from our offices. Please send your CVs, friends, to the given email ID. And yes, our team will get back to you if your CVs are shortlisted. This is a requirement for Ultra Babcock, which was formerly Dusan, Qatar, and it's for a major turnaround GTH shutdown project. The client interview is scheduled for the 12th of September at Anuptech in Rabale, Navi Mumbai. And the requirements are as follows: pipe fabricators, inconel welders, fire and hole watchers, welding foremen, rigging foremen, piping foremen, flange technicians, FT1 experience, plasma cutting technicians, and mechanical column tray fitters. Friends, yes, this is for Ultra Babcock, and it's a shutdown project, but the candidate should have sufficient Gulf country experience. Indian experienced candidates, no, please excuse for this particular requirement. This company requires only Gulf country experienced candidates. Salary would be very good with free food and accommodation. And the client interview is scheduled for the 12th of September at Anuptech in Mumbai. Friends, take a note. Please take a note of the requirements of the client interview date and the location. Friends, this is for Romania, and they need structural fabricators in large numbers. Salary, yes, approximately 1,000 euros. Accommodation, food, and transport will be provided by the employer. Experience, minimum 5 years. International experienced candidates, yes, would be preferred here. Indian experienced candidates can also apply, but yes, preference would be given to candidates who have already worked overseas. And the candidates here have to apply with a trade test video demonstrating their skills. So, friends, yes, you all have to first create a video of your experience where you're actually doing the fabrication work, and then you have to apply with that along with your CV to the given email IDs, and it's for Romania. Friends, this is for Dubai Drydocs. Again, Dubai Drydocs, friends, is the leading provider of marine and offshore services to the shipping, oil, gas, and energy sectors. And the client interview for this is scheduled in Mumbai in the third week of September. And they need duct fabricator foremen, duct fabricators, sheet metal fabricators with piping and vessels background, data foremen, data fabricators, and marine riggers. Again, rigging certification is mandatory. Friends, all these positions are required in huge numbers, as you can see. But yes, candidates with shipyard or marine or oil and gas industry or related field. But yes, friends, preference would be given to candidates who have experience in shipyard or in the marine industry. Salary, yes, would be very attractive with free food and accommodation, and a pre-medical. The candidate will have to go through a pre-medical, which will be free, and the shortlisting is going on. This is for Dubai Dry Dock. It's a free requirement. Candidates with shipyard or marine experience would be entertained. The client interview is scheduled for the third week of September at Mumbai. Yes, the dates will be finalized in the next couple of days. So please stay tuned on our Facebook page. The dates will be released on the Facebook page very, very shortly. This is for Abu Dhabi, friends. It's a free requirement and an immediate one as well. But yes, only Gulf country returners would be entertained here. No freshers and no candidates with Indian experience only would be entertained for this particular interview, for this particular client. And there are a whole lot of requirements: planners and PG lead schedulers, planning leaders, site managers with rotating equipment experience, HSE trainers, quality control leaders, subcontracts coordinators, unit WMS coordinators, yes, floor coordinators, material coordinators, and okay, and supporting coordinators, okay. Unit QA quality control coordinators, assistant storekeepers, fabrication, welding and machining coordinators, yes, hazardous waste material coordinators, heavy equipment coordinators, safety officers and or supervisors, hydrojetting, grill blasting coordinators, LDPE coordinators, light drivers with preferred UAE license. And there are a whole lot of requirements: mechanical quality control inspectors, quantity surveyors, rigging supervisors, storekeepers, and timekeepers. Friends, the salary, yes, given looks very attractive. And but yes, the condition is only Gulf country experienced candidates will be entertained here. The mode of interview would be, as you can see, online, free food and accommodation, and the duration of the contract would be between 4 to 8 months. So it's a shutdown project. A whole lot of requirements. Salary is, yes, very attractive with free food and accommodation. So friends, yes, please send your CVs or visit our offices in Mumbai or in Kochi or in Chennai. Friends, this is the UAE requirement, and the client interview is scheduled for the 9th of September at Anuptech in Mumbai again. And this company requires structural fabricators, CNC operators, MIG welders, stack welders, and forklift operators. Again, there are huge requirements for these positions. And the client interview is scheduled for the 9th of September already at Anuptech in Navi Mumbai. Salary will be very attractive with overtime and free food and accommodation. The shortlisting is going on at our office in Mumbai. So, friends, yes, please visit our offices and get your CV shortlisted and collect your interview tokens. It's a long term project. It's a long term requirement, friends, for Saudi Arabia. And the client interview is going to be conducted shortly in the next couple of days. And this company requires machine operators in huge numbers with ITI background and with at least 2 to 3 years of experience in CNC and other machines in the processing industry. Salary attractive, yes, with free food and accommodation. Yes, the client interview would be conducted very shortly at Kochi and at Chennai. So please send your CVs, friends, to the given email IDs and get them shortlisted as soon as possible. This is a requirement for Bahrain. It's for a company which is into metal fabrication and they need CNC plasma cutting operators. It's a free requirement. It's a long-term requirement. This is for Bahrain. Salary attractive with overtime and free food and accommodation. Friends, shortlisting is going on at our office in Mumbai and at our branch offices too. So please send your CVs. This is for CNC plasma cutting operators for Bahrain. Uh, Friends, this is for the same company, the UAE company that I had read out earlier, a couple of slides earlier. But the client interview for this is on the 8th of September at Kolkata. So it's for the same UAE company for the steel building project. It's a long-term requirement. The same requirement: structural fabricators, CNC operators, MIG welders, stack welders, and forklift operators. Yes, this the interview now is on the 8th of September. On the 9th of September, it's at Mumbai. On the 8th of September, it's at Kolkata. So, friends, yes, please take a note of the interview dates and the locations very carefully. The shortlisting is going on at our office in Kolkata. Also, you all can send your CVs on the given email IDs. This is for UAE. The interview is in Kolkata on the 8th of September. This is a long-term free requirement for UAE, friends. It's a long-term requirement, yes. And this is for a glass manufacturing company. They need supply chain manager and they need an estimator. Both these positions require candidates with only Gulf country experience. So, friends, Indian experienced candidates, please excuse from this particular requirement. Salary will be normal medical since it's for Dubai. And this company requires supply chain managers and estimators. It's a glass manufacturing company. Friends, the detailed job description is mentioned on your screen. Yes, so please send your CVs and our team will get back to you if your CVs is found to be suitable. Friends, this is for Saudi Arabia and this company requires candidates who are Aramco certified only and they need piping quality control supervisors. They need quality control supervisors with piping, welding, mechanical, painting and coating, steel structural, plumbing, RTR piping and instrumentation experience. The candidate should have relevant Aramco certification and or experience. Yes, candidates who are currently in Saudi also can apply, provided they have a transferable ikama. So Aramco certified candidates. A client interview, yes, will be conducted online. So if you all are not in India or are outside India, also we can get your interview will be conducted online from wherever you all are. Again for UAE, a long-term requirement. The client interview is getting scheduled for this. They need production planning assistant, maintenance technicians, assistant supervisors or leadmen, fire-rated fabricators, fire-rated TIG welders, digital printing machine operators, CNC operators, and CNC operator helpers. Yes, the client interview is going to be conducted very soon. It's a long-term requirement. The shortlisting is going on. So friends, please send your CVs. The salary, yes, will be very attractive with overtime as well. Medical would be a normal medical since for UAE. It's a long-term requirement. This this is a shutdown requirement, friends. It's for mm, I guess this is for Abu Dhabi. Yes, this is for Abu Dhabi, and they need inconel welders. They need GTAW welders again, 6G. They need GTAW but plus SMAW, 6G stainless steel welding on stainless steel pipes, and the candidate should have relevant Gulf country experience with at least 3 to 4 shutdowns. And salary, yes, would be very attractive with free food and accommodation, free transportation. This the client interview for this is scheduled for the 8th of September at Chennai. Please take a note of the address very, very carefully, friends. It's for UAE. They need inconel welders. Yes, and the welder should have a running card. Yes, it's this is the company Alfred Babcock for Qatar, and the client interview for this is scheduled for the 8th of September at Chennai. And this company requires, yes, this requirement I have read out earlier, but this one is for Chennai because the client interview is going to be conducted on the 8th of September at Chennai. So, but for the same set of requirements, pipe fabricators, inconel welders, fire and hole watchers, welding foremen, rigging foremen, piping foremen, flange technicians, mechanical column tray fitters. Only Gulf country experienced candidates would be entertained with at least 3 to 4 shutdowns in oil and gas, refinery, and petrochemical projects. Medical, yes, would be reimbursed on joining. It's a free requirement. Attractive salary with free food and accommodation. Friends, yes, you can send your CVs. Alternatively, you can visit our office in Chennai and get your CV shortlisted. Friends, this is for Oman. The client interview for this is again scheduled for the 8th of September at Chennai. And this will be at our office in Chennai. The address is mentioned on your screen. They need senior quantity surveyors with MEP experience. They need assistant contract managers with MEP experience. And they need BIM coordinators with MEP experience. Friends, here, yes, senior quantity surveyors, assistant contracts manager, and BIM coordinators are required, but with MEP experience, please Take a note of that. Without MEP experience, friends, your CVs would not be considered. The shortlisting is going on at our office in Chennai. Alternatively, friends, you can also send your CVs to the given email ID, and our team will get back to you if your CVs is shortlisted. Well, friends, that was my set of requirements. I will now quickly call on our General Manager, Mr. Lalit Moria, who will present his set of the requirements. Can we? Good afternoon, sir. Welcome.
Hi, good afternoon, everyone. Thank you, Anup. So, hi, viewers. We'll continue with our whatever the requirements I have, and we have many requirements as well as many interview confirmed this week. So we will go one by one and we discuss all the requirements and company details, interview dates, everything. Uh, please present first slide, please. Okay, friends, this is for Saudi Arabia. Company name is MI Arabia, and we have client interview on 13 September at Anup Tech. और इस जो रिक्वायरमेंट्स है इसमें हमें काफी बड़ी मात्रा में इलेक्ट्रिकल टेक्नीशियंस की रिक्वायरमेंट है, इंडस्ट्रियल इलेक्ट्रिशियन है, वेल्डर्स चाहिए, मल्टी वेल्डर्स जो सीएस के पाइप पे या एसएस के पाइप पे वेल्डिंग कर सके, कॉम्बिनेशन वेल्डर है, आर्क वेल्डर और टिक वेल्डर दोनों चाहिए. Plus, we need a civil engineer, civil supervisor with Gulf experience, HSC officers and safety officer with NIBOS and 2 or 3 years of Gulf experience mandatory. We have requirement for steel fixer, shutting carpenter, mason, and helpers. This will be a client face-to-face interview. Company offer you very good salary. Apart from the salary, you will get food allowance or free food, depend on the site. Plus free accommodation, free transport. Wakala is ready available. Once you selected, within 2 weeks we have to deploy you in Saudi Arabia. And इसके लिए आप नीचे दिए गए नंबर पे कॉल कर सकते हैं, या तो सीवी ईमेल कर सकते हैं, या तो फिर डायरेक्टली फेस टू फेस 13 तारीख को अनुप टेक में आके इसका इंटरव्यू अटेंड कर सकते हैं. दोस्तों एक और रिक्वायरमेंट है सऊदी की, काफ़ी बड़ी कंपनी है और इनके पास जो अरामको और सेबिक के काम होती हैं, इन्हें वर्क परमिट रिसीवर्स चाहिए. इसके इंटरव्यू वर्चुअल होंगे. अगर आप इंटरेस्टेड हैं तो सीवी आपके नीचे दिए गए ईमेल आईडी पे आप भेज सकते हैं. एक बार आपका सीवी हम रिव्यू करेंगे और शॉर्टलिस्ट करने के बाद सेकेंड राउंड इंटरव्यू होगा. इसमें भी आपको कंपनी अच्छी सैलरी दे रही है, फ्री फूड अकोमोडेशन ट्रांसपोर्ट प्रोवाइड करेंगे और इसके जो भी जॉब मोबिलाइजेशन है 2 से 3 वीक में हो जाएंगे. दोस्तों ये भी एक सऊदी की रिक्वायरमेंट्स हैं जो ऑयल एंड गैस के कॉन्ट्रैक्टिंग और मेंटेनेंस के प्रोजेक्ट लेते हैं. इनके जो क्लाइंट है आरामको है, सैबिक है, हदीद स्टील है, काफ़ी बड़ी बड़ी कंपनी के ये कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स लेते हैं और ये भी एक लॉन्ग टर्म प्रोजेक्ट है. वर्चुअल इंटरव्यू होगा and they want this time safety manager and QA/QC inspector, welding, piping, coating, procurement, quality control supervisors. This all category we need Aramco approved candidates because this is for the Aramco side. Salary is the very excellent as per the Aramco standard. They will give you salary package. Plus, we want a pipeline project manager, pipeline construction manager without Aramco experience. It will do, but yes, they should have Gulf experience and a degree in relevant stream. They should have, and this will be again a virtual interview. If you have such experience, please forward your resume on given email ID. We have our branch offices: Baroda, Chennai, Cochin, Delhi, Kolkata. Better you send your CV by email. We will go through your profile and we'll schedule next round of interview with the client soon. Yeah, friends, we have this requirement for Qatar. और ये कतर की एक कंपनी है जो भी ऑयल एंड गैस के ही काम करती है. इसके क्लाइंट इंटरव्यू बहुत ही जल्दी बॉम्बे में अनुपटेक में होने वाली है. इसमें हमें जीआरपी लेमिनेटर, जीआरपी पाइप फिटर, जीआरपी पाइप फैब्रिकेटर, फिर नॉर्मल जो हमारे पाइप फिटर, पाइप फैब्रिकेटर, पाइपिंग फॉरमैन की रिक्वायरमेंट है। ये भी काफ़ी अच्छी बड़ी कंपनी है जो बड़े-बड़े प्रोजेक्ट लेती हैं, और इसमें जो भी कैंडिडेट चाहिए उन्हें मिनिमम 2 से 3 साल के गल्फ एक्सपीरियंस होने चाहिए। अगर उनकी क्वालिफिकेशन आईटीआई है तो और भी अच्छी है। और इसका भी जो मोबिलाइजेशन पीरियड है इमीडिएट होगा, क्योंकि ये कतर का लॉन्ग टर्म का प्रोजेक्ट है। इसमें आपको क्यूवीसी करना है। ऑफर लेटर मिलने के बाद, सारा सैलरी ऑफर होने के बाद आपको क्यूवीसी करना है। कोई नॉर्मल मेडिकल या प्री मेडिकल करने की जरूरत नहीं है। अगर आप इसमें इंटरेस्टेड हैं, नीचे दिए गए नंबर पे कॉल कर सकते हैं, या तो आपका सीवी ईमेल कर सकते हैं, या तो फिर नेक्स्ट वीक में जब हम इसको रिलीज करेंगे विद कंफर्म इंटरव्यू डेट और इंटरव्यू लोकेशन, वहां पे आप डायरेक्टली आके फेस टू फेस इंटरव्यू भी अटेंड कर सकते हैं। Friends, we have one more requirement for KSA long-term project, and we have that safety officer 2025 numbers we want, and it's an oil and gas experience, 2 or 3 years Gulf experience candidates we are preferring, but all candidates should have NIVOS. It will be a virtual interview. It's going to be a very good company, and they have visa Wakala ready available. If once you're selected, immediately we will mobilize you. You can forward your resume on given email ID or WhatsApp us on the given number. We will review your profile. Once we found suitable, we'll proceed next round of interview. दोस्तों, ये मदीना ग्रुप की रिक्वायरमेंट है और इसके इंटरव्यू क्लाइंट मंडे को होने वाली हैं। मंडे यानी 9th September we have virtual interview. We want HSC officer 50 numbers, those who have reverse or at least 3 to 5 years of Gulf experience. Plus we have requirement pipe fabricators, and this will be again a virtual interview. If any candidates are interested, they can come as a walking on Monday in our branch offices, head office, or they can give the interview remotely, but you have to forward your resume first. So this is again very good requirement. सेल शटडाउन की प्रोजेक्ट है, फ्री रिक्रूटमेंट है, और मदीना कंपनी के नाम है। Friends, we have another requirement for Qatar, and is again the shutdown project. In that we have few requirement for we need for long term project. Also we have requirement for senior mechanical technician, monitoring technician, fabricator, welders, rigger, forklift operator, industrial electricians, and all this category we need the people who having oil and gas experience, and this is going to be a free recruitment. And if any candidates have such experience, please forward your resume on given email ID. We will shortlist your profile and we will proceed next round of virtual interview with the client. It's a 100% free recruitment. Yes, all the selected candidate has to do QVC, and no pre-medical is required. दोस्तों, ये 9 तारीख को एक इंटरव्यू है मबानी कंपनी की, मबानी स्टील, एंड अनूप टेक में इसके इंटरव्यू होंगे। हमें इसमें स्ट्रक्चर फैब्रिकेटर 100 नंबर की रिक्वायरमेंट्स हैं। सीएनसी ऑपरेटर, मिग वेल्डर, टैग वेल्डर, फोकली ऑपरेटर विद यूई लाइसेंस की रिक्वायरमेंट है। आप डायरेक्टली इंटरव्यू के दिन 9 तारीख को आ सकते हैं अनूप टेक में, और ये काफ़ी अच्छी रिक्वायरमेंट है। हमने काफ़ी कैंडिडेट्स को डिप्लॉय किए हैं मबानी स्टील में। इनका जो फूड, रहने का और ट्रांसपोर्ट, सारी फैसिलिटी एक नंबर है, कोई कंप्लेंट नहीं है। और इसके जो डिप्लॉयमेंट है वो भी इमीडिएट हो जाते हैं। मैक्सिमम 7 से 10 दिन में इसके डिप्लॉयमेंट हो जाते हैं। सेलेक्टेड कैंडिडेट को एक नॉर्मल मेडिकल करना है और एक वैक्सीन लेना है। इसके बाद इमीडिएटली आपका मोबिलाइजेशन हो जाएंगे। काफ़ी अच्छी रिक्वायरमेंट है। अगर आप बॉम्बे में हैं तो इसको इंटरव्यू जरूर अटेंड करिए। स्ट्रक्चरल फैब्रिकेटर्स के इंटरव्यू काफ़ी इजी है। अगर कोई कैंडिडेट को इंडियन एक्सपीरियंस है और ड्राइंग पढ़ने आता है, वो भी स्ट्रक्चरल फैब्रिकेटर में अप्लाई कर सकता है। दोस्तों, सेम बनी कंपनी की जो इंटरव्यू है 8 तारीख को हमने कोलकाता में Q1 इंस्टीट्यूट में रखा हुआ है। अगर किसी भी कैंडिडेट को वहाँ पे इंटरव्यू अटेंड करना है तो नीचे दिए गए नंबर पे हमारे कोऑर्डिनेटर से संपर्क कर सकते हैं और वहाँ पे इंटरव्यू कर सकते हैं। हमारे कोऑर्डिनेटर 24/7 अवेलेबल है कोलकाता में। 8 तारीख को इसकी इंटरव्यू कोलकाता में हो रही है। हाँ दोस्तों, एक और कंपनी है जो जिसके क्लाइंट इंटरव्यू हमने वाइजैक में शेड्यूल किए हैं, और ये एक शिपयार्ड मेंटेनेंस की कंपनी है जिसमें हमें स्टील स्ट्रक्चर फैब्रिकेटर, प्लेट फैब्रिकेटर्स, पाइप फैब्रिकेटर्स और पाइप फिटर्स की रिक्वायरमेंट है। इसके जो क्लाइंट इंटरव्यू है वैजाग में एंड ऑफ दिस मंथ होने वाले हैं। ये कंपनी काफी बड़ी और बहुत ही फेमस इंटरव्यू है दुबई की, और इसमें दुबई के एम्प्लॉयमेंट वीजा मिलेंगे, नॉर्मल मेडिकल करना है। इसमें नीचे दिए गए नंबर पे आप कॉल करके आप आपका सीवी शॉर्टलिस्टिंग करा सकते हैं हमारे वाइजैक ऑफिस में। और कंपनी इसमें अंदर आपको फूड अलाउंस या तो फ्री फूड प्रोवाइड करेंगे, प्लस रहना खाना ट्रांसपोर्ट ग्रेजुटी सारे फैसिलिटी इस कंपनी में है। और ये काफ़ी बड़ी कंपनी है, सिंगापुर बेस्ड कंपनी है। और बहुत ही जल्दी इसके इंटरव्यू हम फाइनल करने वाले हैं वैजाग में। हाँ दोस्तों, एक और रिक्वायरमेंट्स है, दिस इज फॉर कुवैत and this is for ABC company for Kuwait KOC North Kuwait project. We have required this interview on 12th at our Chennai office, and we want all the mechanical, electrical, instrument, and HSC category candidates. And this you can see the salary range. This they are offering very good salary, and this will be a client interview. All the Kuwaiti delegates are there. They will do your interview on 12th. And if any candidates having oil and gas experience and interested in Kuwait, they can come and attend this interview. On 12th, we are doing this interview in our office. And prior to interview, you have to visit our office, get intro call letter, and let's screen your CV, and then only better you attend this interview, because on the interview day there will be a huge crowd. So to avoid all this thing, you need to go in advance and shortlist yourself first. And this is for as I said, APG Kuwait company give you very good salary plus free food, accommodation, transport, everything they will give you. And their mobilization is also going to start by mid of October or end of September only. So it's a very good opportunity. All the requirements are stating here. Please read properly, and if you have relevant experience, go to our Chennai office for the shortlisting purpose. Friends, we have one more requirement for KSA, and it's for a Kent company, and we are looking for a DCS operator and field operators. DCS operator, we are looking for gas plant, crude oil plant, water treatment facility, offshore facility. Similarly, for field operator, we are looking for the people for their gas plant, crude oil plant, water treatment plant, water distillation plant, power plant, offshore facility, and all. And very soon we will do this virtual interview in Bombay, Chennai, Cochin, and Baroda, our office. But if you are interested, please forward your resume. We will shortlist your profile and keep reserve you for the next round of interview. Company offer you very good salary. You can see the salary range plus free food, accommodation, transport they will give you, and it's 100% free recruitment. दोस्तों, ये हमने डिस्कस कर लिया है। मबानी के इंटरव्यू 9 तारीख को हमारे अनुपटेक में होंगे और 13 तारीख को मियाँ अरबिया MI अरबिया के इंटरव्यूज हैं। दोनों इंटरव्यू में वॉकिंग कैंडिडेट्स अलाउड हैं। अगर आप इंटरेस्टेड हैं तो आप आ सकते हैं हमारे ऑफिस में शॉर्ट लिस्टिंग के लिए, या तो डायरेक्ट इंटरव्यू के लिए दिन भी आप आ सकते हैं। हेलो अंसुर हुसैन जी। यस, एनएसएस के इंटरव्यू स्टार्ट हैं, चल रहे हैं। अगर इफ यू आर इंटरेस्टेड, प्लीज फॉरवर्ड योर रेज्यूमे। Mr. Jay Dave, any Europe country vacancy open? Jay, we have many requirements for Romania and other country. Please visit our Bombay office, meet the concerned person. They will guide you very well. Yeah, Mr. Asif, we have requirement for delivery boys job. Please come to Bombay office, submit your profile so that we will call you whenever there will be opening. Mr. Khan Amidullah, yes, we have requirement for HVC VRB technician. Please forward your resume. We will go through your profile. If we found suitable, definitely we will call you. आली आफ्ताब जी, क्लेडिंग ऑपरेटर्स की भी रिक्वायरमेंट है। आप हमारे एडवर्टाइजमेंट देख सकते हैं, उसमें जो दिए गए ईमेल आईडी है उस पर आपका सीवी भेज दीजिए, आपको इंटरव्यूज के लिए कॉल आ जाएंगे। यस, एक्सेवेटर ऑपरेटर्स की भी रिक्वायरमेंट्स हैं। प्लीज आपके सीवी आप भेज दीजिए, कौन सा लाइसेंस है उसमें जरूर इंडिकेट करिए, जिससे हमारे रिक्रूटर को इजी हो आपका सीवी मैच करने के लिए, जो भी हमारे पास रिक्वायरमेंट है उससे। फ्रेशर हेवी डाइवर्स की कोई रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं है शहबाज, फिर भी आप इसी तरह से हमारे जो एडवर्टाइजमेंट है उसको रिफर करते रहिए। मे बी फ्यूचर में कुछ रिक्वायरमेंट्स आए जिससे आपको इजी हो वो इंटरव्यू अटेंड करने के लिए। सचिन राजपूत, ये हैव इंडिया का आपको इंडिया का 4 साल का एक्सपीरियंस है इलेक्ट्रिशियन में। आप इंटरव्यू के लिए आ सकते हैं, 13 तारीख को एक सऊदी के इंटरव्यूज हैं, हम उसमें आपको प्रेजेंट करेंगे क्लाइंट के सामने। अगर आपने टेक्निकल सही जवाब दे दिया तो डेफिनेटली आपके लिए भी कोशिश कर सकते हैं और चांस हो सकता है आपके लिए भी। जाकिर मोहम्मद, एनी सेफ्टी इंजीनियर्स। जाकिर जी, सेफ्टी इंजीनियर्स की नहीं, लेकिन सेफ्टी ऑफिसर्स की काफी रिक्वायरमेंट्स हैं। तो if you are interested, please go through our all the advertisement and forward your resume accordingly. Yes, Mr. Anuj, we have requirement for electrical technician and we have client interview on 13th September for Mia Arabia at Anuptech. Mr. Malay Das, yes, sir, I am a diploma civil engineer with 5 years India experience. Malay, as of now, we are looking for all the Gulf experience. We don't have any requirement for with Indian experience. बॉल टॉकिंग के इंटरव्यूज हैं, एसटीएस के बहरीन के इंटरव्यूज होने वाले हैं। आप हमारे गुजरात और चेन्नई ऑफिस के टच में रहिए, ये बहुत ही जल्दी इसके इंटरव्यू होने वाले हैं। Okay,
Thank you.
viewers, thank you for your patience and be with us. I'll see you next week with the more new requirements and confirm interview dates. Now I'll hand over to Anup. He will continue further. Yeah, Anup.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Friends, now let me call on Mr. Nishan Dadial from our Seagull Staffing Solutions division, who's going to share with y'all his set of requirements, particularly for the Indian market. Over to you, Nishan.
Hello, good afternoon. So, viewers, I am here back with my set of requirements for domestic region. So, I would just like to present this week we have a lot of recruitment going on for the domestic region. So, if anyone wants to apply, they can directly visit our office or they can share on the email ID or directly call on the mobile numbers. All the interviews are going for this week, next week. So first requirement which has come up, it is for the one of the leading construction company which is looking after for the electrical technician and HVAC technician. The location is for Hyderabad and Noida. The experience required is 7 years and the industry which they are looking from are construction and engineering. So qualification required is ITI or diploma. So any of the candidate who is interested can apply on the given mention ID or on the mobile number. Okay, so this is for the one of the leading collaborative company requires planning engineer. Okay, here we are looking out for planning engineer, which is like junior role. the experience would be round about 2 to 4 years between that. And we are looking out for a person who is experienced into Primavera 6 software, Primavera 6 and Microsoft projects, MS projects. So the location for the job is Worli, Mumbai, and the type of sector which we are looking out from is marine, real estate, port, and any graduate can apply. So anyone who is interested can send their resume on the email ID mentioned, or directly call on the mobile number. The interviews are going on. So please request you to share the CVs directly. Okay, so again for the same company we are looking after, which is the India's one of the leading company. Here the planning engineer which is required, the experience is between around 5 to 10 years. Like this would be a senior manager role for planning engineer manager role, where it would be the same Primavera 6 software is required, where they have to coordinate with project managers and monitor the track process against the project. Okay, so the same sector we are looking after is marine or port, and the qualification required is BE Civil, Marine Engineer, or any construction management experience is required. So please, anyone if he is interested can call on the mobile number mentioned or on the given email ID. Okay, so here again, one of the leading collaborative company, for the same company we are looking out, which is based in Worli. So again, which is for the marine equipment manager, where we can see the overseas and safe and the equipment operations, who looked after the operations management of the fleet of the vessels as in ships. So the experience which is required is minimum 5 years, and the industry which they are looking out from is port, marine, and the qualification which is required is bachelor degree in any of the relevant field. Like you interested candidate can apply on the email ID mentioned or on the mobile number. Okay, so this is the new requirements, set of requirement for the same company, again for the Worli location, and we are looking after for the marine equipment executive, where it would be the sourcing and the purchasing of the marine equipments, like the square parts which is required, monitor and manage the inventory level. So anyone who is interested, which has the experience of 2 to 3 years, which has experience in port and marine, and which has a bachelor's degree in marine engineering, mechanical engineering, logistics, so can apply on the email ID or on the mentioned mobile number. Okay, so this is for the Winningsum Port Kerala. These are the bulk requirements. So anyone who is interested, directly give a call, or can directly call on the mentioned mobile number, which is for the STS operator, CRMG operator, vessel planner, yard planner, tower controller, deck checker, electrical technician, mechanical engineer, then mechanical technician, welder, fabricator, substation operator, electrician, civil HOS, helper. So the minimum experience is required is 5 years, and the type of sector is port, container, and terminal. This is compulsory. The sector is compulsory. So the qualification which is required is graduate, diploma, or ITI. The interviews are going on. Please apply on the given email ID. Okay, this is for one of the leading company which is into the electrical company, requires project manager who can understand the layouts and BOQs, tender documentation provided by the architects, consultant, PMC, preparing tender document, bill of BOQs, and preparing various documents like technical data sheet or the mechanical. So anyone who is interested can apply on the email ID mentioned or on the mobile number. So the experience required is 0 to 7 years, and the industry type of sector is construction, real estate, engineering, commercial, and qualification which is required is diploma, degree, BE, BTech. Okay, so this is for the Worli location. Again, an HR executive we are looking out at who knows the entire recruitment life cycle process and including the sourcing, screening, interviewing, who can conduct the interviews, inductions, and who can maintain the HR database. So again the location is Worli, Mumbai. Any MBA or BMS can apply. So who wants to apply can give apply. The HRs can apply on the given email ID mentioned or on the mobile number. Okay, friends. So this was my set of requirements, which was of the domestic. The interviews are going on. So please do mail or call on the mobile number which are mentioned so that we can start up the process of the hiring. So over to you, Anup. Thank you.
Thank you, Nishan. Well, friends, that was Nishan with his set of domestic requirements for our Seagull staffing division. Friends, I will have to conclude this session because we are already running short of time. I hope, friends, you all have taken a note of all the client interview dates along with the various locations at which the client interviews are going to be held. Friends, this is our head office in Mumbai. We are at Andheri East in Marol. Our branches are in Baroda and in Delhi as well. We are also located in Vizag and in Kolkata. In the south of India, we are in Kochi and in Chennai. Friends, for any further queries that you have, you can send a WhatsApp to the given email ID, to the given contact numbers. Alternatively, there is an email ID on which you all can send your CVs to. The QR code given will take you to our website where you can upload your CVs. But it is always better that you all upload or send your CVs to the IDs which are given on the requirement so that it reaches the right department. This is our website address. We are on Facebook, friends, LinkedIn, Instagram, and X, and on YouTube as well. So, friends, please join us on all our social media platforms. Follow us and like us so that you all can also keep a track of all the requirements that we post on all our social media pages from time to time. Well, friends, thank you for joining us today, and have a nice weekend ahead.